So this method worked pretty well and cost very little. A magic eraser can clean up your oven, but as you saw, it won't make it look brand new. There were some tough stains it couldn't get, but was still effective. I was actually surprised at how well it worked. I'd recommend it for a quick and easy clean, but don't expect it to go the full distance. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. This is good, clean fun, product reviews and cleaning how-tos. I'll see you in the next one.